Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to lock Excel files. Protecting your Excel files is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized changes. You can apply different levels of protection, from individual worksheets to the entire workbook, and even encrypt the file itself. This ensures that only authorized individuals can view or modify your valuable information, maintaining data integrity and confidentiality. Let's dive into the methods. To protect a specific worksheet, right-click on its tab and choose Protect Sheet. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to select which actions users can perform, such as selecting locked cells or inserting columns. You can also set an optional password. If you don't provide a password, anyone can unprotect it. Confirm your password to apply the protection, ensuring only permitted actions are possible. Protecting the workbook structure prevents others from altering the arrangement of your sheets. Navigate to the Review tab and click Protect Workbook. In the dialog box, ensure structure is checked. You can then enter a password to prevent users from inserting, deleting, renaming, moving, or hiding worksheets. Confirm the password to activate this protection, maintaining your workbook's layout and organization. For the highest level of security, you can encrypt your entire Excel file, requiring a password to even open it. Go to the File tab, select Info, then click Protect Workbook and choose Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong, memorable password, then confirm it. This ensures that only individuals with the correct password can access the file's contents, providing robust protection for your confidential data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.